How to schedule an order on Wolt. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you something very intriguing. What I'll be teaching you today is how to schedule an order on Wolt. Now, all you need to do first is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone. Now that I've opened it on my mobile phone, if you open it on your mobile phone over there, to be displayed on your screen, the map. Here on the map, you see several places where the Wolt restaurant is available. So you can just take a close look at the locations where Wolt restaurants are available, and if any of them is very close to you, you can click on it and just place your order. Now, to schedule an order on Wolt app, all you need to do is to take a look at the lower part of your screen where we have the icons like the delivery icon, the restaurant icon, the stores icon, the search icon, the profile icon. You click on the profile icon, which is the last icon on the list, and you wait patiently for the page to load. Once the profile page is loaded, you see here it says it's I. Make sure just a form of greeting, and after it is a round circle at the left side showing your name, and I'm telling you don't have orders. If you have order, it will be displayed just under your name. So you can see tokens here too. You can see credits. You can also there's also the option to invite friends, to enter promo code, to see order history, and so on. So you can click on account. Account is just under settings. Once you click on account, you wait patiently for it to load, and here we have you'd see several things here, several options here. You see the option to delete your account. You see the option to change your profile picture. If you want to change it, you can go ahead and change your profile picture. Now, to place to schedule an order on Wolt app, what you need to do is to go back to the lower part of your screen where we have the restaurant. You click on the restaurant, and the closest Wolt restaurant will be displayed on your screen. Here, I do not have any Wolt restaurant close to me, and it's not my fault. It's from the Wolt app itself, and they've promised to expand the capacity. But for you, if you're lucky, you see once you've clicked on restaurants, the list of restaurants available on Wolt to be displayed on your screen, and you simply click on the restaurant you want based on the proximity or based on the taste of their food. Just make sure you're choosing a right restaurant. Once you've clicked on it, you can schedule your order, and that's it. So it's very simple. So that's simply how to schedule an order on Wolt app. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.